The third brake light, also known as the high mount lamp on the 2007-2011 Lincoln MKX, often needs replacement due to bulb burnout. You can replace it yourself. The factory bulb is a 921 halogen, but LED upgrades offer longer life and better visibility. A recent recall, NESA campaign ID 23V-456, addressed wiring issues in some models, so check if your vehicle was affected. To start, park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and open the rear hatch. Most replacements take between 15 to 30 minutes. To access the bulb, remove the plastic trim cover on the underside of the rear hatch spoiler by unscrewing or unclipping it. Twist and pull out the old bulb socket, then insert the new bulb, ensuring a secure fit. Before reassembling, test the new bulb. Consider upgrading to an LED for improved lifespan. Always disconnect the battery's negative terminal to prevent shorts. Clear any error codes with an OBD scanner. Be careful not to over-tighten screws. LED bulbs are the trend, offering energy efficiency and better response time.